I'm gonna review this digital grill thermometer. I've already got it out of the package so you can see it in being used. It comes with two different thermometers actually, so you could be using two different meats at one time. So if you're cooking pork or steak or beef, you'd be able to use that. Comes with a little USB charger to charge this, which is nice because then it doesn't have to have it. It's very light, won't have any batteries to it. If you can see on here, it's got a digital display and can function on its own by using the buttons and the settings here, which I was going through. But even more conveniently, they've got this app. I'm gonna put this down for a second. They have an app that you can use. Let's go right here. It's called the Grill 5.0. Has different temperatures that you can set up. You can do Celsius and Fahrenheit. I put it in Fahrenheit. You can set up an alarm, so if you want it done by time, vibration, all kinds of really cool things. But what I really liked is when I'm on here, so for example, I'm gonna be cooking some steak right now. If you click on temperature for the one that's set up, it has pre-settings right here. So it says rare 120 Fahrenheit. So if I want to change this to, let's say, medium rare, it's actually going to tell me what the Fahrenheit, or hit the preset. And now it says beef, ready to go, showing that the air outside 75 degrees before I even put it on there. It's really nice. So I can even be away from the grill, don't even need to be on there, and put it in the thermometer, and it'll let me know while I'm away, which is pretty cool. So if we went ahead and put these pieces of this meat on there, so it's not going to be hot right now, right? I mean, it's not going to be at temperature, but I'll let you be able to see how this functions. This does come with a nice little rubber tip on it to keep it clean and away from things. Just take it, insert it in the meat. If you actually watch on here, it already shows you that this meat right now, using number 1, is only at 58 degrees, and it has its temperature set right there at 129, so it's letting me know what I'm trying to get at, but it says it's at 58. If I were to walk away and just use my app, it's showing me on the app where the temperature is at. So as it stands, this is a pretty cool, useful grill thermometer, because again, you have to be with it the entire time. You can let it set, use it on different types of meats, and you can, with two of these, you can have two different settings and have two different meats running at the same time.